Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 42. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool or workflow that can dramatically increase your nomad income, automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.
Huck, what if one 2,000-word guide, something you already wrote for a client or for your blog, could turn into 20 to 30 micro products in under a day? Think lead magnets, 10 social posts, a mini course, a checklist, a paid 30-minute microservice, and a 3-email funnel that sells it. That single asset pays for your next month of travel and then some. This changes everything for nomads.
Promise and roadmap. Here's what you'll get. A compact, travel-friendly stock and the exact prompts to run on any 2,000-word asset. I'll walk you through the core workflow. Ingest, classify, generate, template, publish, monetize. Then I'll share plug-and-play prompts you can copy, the one-day wiring diagram, visible pricing and time math for nomads, and the ethical guardrails to keep your brand high quality. By the end, you'll have a 20-minute auction that produces a live lead magnet and a paid micro offer. Section 1. Core Workflow. Start with ingest. Drop your long-form asset into a single source of truth. I recommend Airtable or Notion. Create fields. Title, author, raw text, source rights, publish status. Important, log permissions if it's client work. Next, classify. Use an LLM to identify sections, key ideas, measurable outcomes, and audience personas within the text. Then generate. Prompt the model to create microlessons, hooks, checklists, and micro-offers. Template. Map each type of output to a reusable template in Canva or Figma and a metadata record in your catalog. Publish via automated workflows in Zapier or Make that push finished assets to your CMS, social scheduler, or payment endpoint like Gumroad or Stripe. Monetize by pairing free lead magnets with a $5 to $50 micro offer and an upsell to a subscription or paid microservice.
Concrete walkthrough. Take a 2,000-word guide on remote pitching for clients. Ingest it. The classifier extracts 8 teachable microlessons: research, outreach hooks, pricing signals, onboarding checklist, follow-up templates, contract clause examples, scaled delivery tips, and a troubleshooting FAQ. Generation produces 8 microlessons, 2 tweet hooks per lesson, 1 one-page checklist, a 3-step paid microservice, pitch audit plus template plus 30-minute coaching, a 10-item email funnel, and 20 social captions. Template those outputs into Canva micro assets and schedule them to drip over 30 days. A single funnel converts cold leads into paying customers while you're on the move.
Quick note on rights and quality. Before you automate repurposing, run a rights check. Did you write the original, or are there client or third-party quotes? If it's not fully owned, redact or get permission, and log that in your Airtable. Also build a human review step for every product that will be monetized, so your brand voice stays intact. Let's make this actually work for you.
Section 2. Exact prompts and tech stack. Here are 3 copy-ready prompts you can paste into your LLM. Prompt A. Summarize the following text into 8 microlessons. For each microlesson, provide 1-line title, 2 tweet hooks, a 3-bullet checklist, and 1 3-step paid microservice offer. Output as a JSON array with fields lesson title, hooks 2, checklist 3, microservice. Prompt B. Write a 3-email funnel to sell the 3-step microservice. Email 1, value plus soft offer. Email 2, case study plus social proof. Email 3, urgency plus direct buy link. Prompt C. Create 10 social captions that map to the 8 microlessons, short, platform-friendly, with 1 call to action each.
Recommended tools and a one-day wiring diagram. LLM, use a reliable model, GPT-4o, Gemini, or equivalent. Catalog, Airtable or Notion. Design, Canva or Figma templates. Automation, Zapier or Make. Payments and booking, Gumroad, Stripe, or Calendly, connected via webhook. Day plan, morning, 2 hours, ingest classify. Late morning, 2 hours, run prompt A and prompt C. Afternoon, 2 hours, template design and zap wiring. Late afternoon, 1 hour, QA and publish 1 free lead magnet plus 1 paid micro offer. Evening, 1 hour, schedule social posts and review analytics wiring. That's a compact, travel-friendly build.
Section 3. Pitfalls and Ethics. Watch for quality drift where mass-generated assets lose your voice, copyright or client data mistakes if you repurpose third-party material, and audience fatigue if you over-automate the same angle. Mitigation checklist. Always include a human review QA step in Airtable before publish. Maintain a source rights field and permission log, and limit automation to drafts and distribution. Final client-facing pieces should be personalized by you. The human plus AI advantage beats fully hands-off automation every time.
Immediate 20-minute action you can finish right now. Pick one existing long-form asset, copy it into a Notion or Airtable record, and run Prompt A. From the Prompt A output, select 3 deliverables, one checklist for a lead magnet, one social caption set, and one 3-step microservice. Push those 3 outputs into a Canva template and publish the checklist as a gated PDF. Set a Gumroad or Stripe link for the microservice and wire a single zap that emails buyers a booking link. You'll have a live lead magnet and an active paid micro offer in under 20 minutes of follow-up work.
Ready to scale this? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses to get the downloadable prompt kit, Airtable template, and the automation checklist. Everything you need to wire this in a day. Here's the exact prompt/stock. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses.